In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency format in Google Sheets. Whether you're managing international budgets, creating invoices in different currencies, or simply trying to keep your financial data organized, changing the currency format is a crucial skill. Let's walk through this process step by step to ensure that your Google Sheets display currency exactly the way you need. First, open your Google Sheets document and navigate to the cell or range of cells where you want to change the currency format. It's important to ensure that you've selected the right cells before proceeding with any formatting changes. Once your desired cell or cells are highlighted, we can begin adjusting the currency settings. Next, direct your attention to the menu bar at the top of your screen. Click on Format. This is your go-to tool for all sorts of cell customizations in Google Sheets, from font changes to number formatting. Now that you're in the Format menu, keep your eyes peeled for the Number option. Click on it. This sub-menu allows you to define precisely how numerical data is presented in your sheet, offering various formatting options tailored to your needs. Under the Number section, you'll find an option called Custom Currency. Click on this to proceed. At this stage, you're given the power to customize how currency symbols appear next to your numbers. Embedding the right currency symbol and ensuring that it aligns with the relevant financial standards is pivotal when dealing with multiple international clients or financial transactions. Once you're in custom currency, you'll be met with a search bar and a list of currency options. Use the search feature to easily locate the currency you need. Suppose you're dealing with euros, dollars, yen, or any other currency. Simply type the name or associated symbol into the search bar and select the appropriate option from the list presented to you. Not only does this help you personalize the financial formatting, but it also helps avoid any confusion when reading the figures. Once you've selected the desired currency format, you'll notice the changes reflected immediately in the selected cell or cells in your Google Sheet. The numbers will now display the symbol of the currency you chose, alongside the numerical value. This immediate visual feedback shows that the changes have been successfully applied, ensuring you have set up the format correctly. Finally, don't forget to save your work as you go. Although Google Sheets automatically saves your changes, it's always a good practice to double-check that no important alterations are lost. And there you have it. You've successfully customized the currency format in your Google Sheets document. This simple yet essential skill can significantly enhance clarity and understanding, especially when handling data on an international scale. Thanks for joining today, and I hope this guide helps in your future Google Sheets projects.